Kasya mo kaya to? Tingin ko nga kung gaano kakaliit. Kid size ka na eh.
Wala, malaki. Small nga lang yun kayo, baby.
Grabe ka naman. Small lang yung sa akin. Nananakit ka. Last shot!
Ow! Dad!
Sobrang ganda ng lugar. Enjoy ka? Ganda ni Ining, oh. Okay.
After Animator's palette, now we're trying Animator's table.
Yay! You're gonna draw again. And get your certificate. Hindi tayo breakfast and lunch. This is the brunch. Hindi nag-breakfast eh. So, diretso na. Masyadong in-enjoy kasi yung ating almusal. Ay, walang almusal. Almusal na tulog na nangyari. Ano kabayan, kamusta?
Okay lang po.
Anong masarap dito?
Kalimitan po, in-order nila yung salmon.
Salmon. May steak ba?
Yeah, they have.
Steak lang, ayos na. Oh, pang bisikleta. It also camera.
Camera, bisikleta, video.
Asan ang camera mo?
Here's the camera.
Galing, no? Ano yan? Okay.
Oh.
Normal yan.
Headphone din.
Maganda pa shooting din.
Nag-shooting ka ba?
Minsan.
Ah, ganon.
Yung anak namin nagsushoot.
Ah, ito. Pwede rin pang shooting, kaya lang hindi ko sure kung...
Hindi siya bulletproof eh. Hindi kagaya ni... Say, ano na yung gamit mong salamin?
Filia.
Yeah, it's a bulletproof. Yung pilya, okay yun.
So, ano magandang so?
Pilya.
Hilya?
Opo, P-I-L-L-A. It's an Italy brand.
Promoter.
Sa atin meron nun.
Meron po, kila
Ito yung sounds niya.
Sugar's Depot sa mga pible.
Suot mo para mas mahal.
Nakaano na rin sa meta. Gano'n.
Yeah.
Oo.
Tapos AI na rin siya.
AI operated.
May nag-message sa'yo habang nagbabay ka. Pag sinabi mong, hey Meta, read it, babasahin niya sa'yo. Tatanungin ka niya kung answer the call.
Kaya ngayon wala na si James Bond, di nasikat eh.
Oo, may mga gadget na talaga eh, no? Ginawang totoo yung gadget niya, no? Saan ka sa Pilipinas, kuya?
Paranaque.
Ah, Paranaque. Kami, Pangasinan.
Alcala.
Alcala kami.
Parents ko Pangasinan sila.
Yung head chef nyo, from Dagupan.
Ah, si Edgar.
Si Mike, binisita kami kanina sa room.
Tagalinggayo naman, si
But
Sir
he's not
Mike.
the head chef. Executive chef si
Sir Edgar.
Edgar, yeah.
Sige po, enjoy po.
Thank you po, Charlie. Thank you. Sarap ng aking lunch. This is my lunch. With soup. No, halos maubos ko na. Ito naman kay Ella. Well done steak. Sarap, boss.
Sarap.
Till next time.
More travel to us.
Yeah.
Gusto ko mag-cruise tayo, dalawa lang tayo.
Yan. Set natin yan.
Ibubuk ko yan after ng pagpapagamot natin
Yeah.
sa Germany.
Yeah. We'll see. Okay, dito kami ngayon sa...
Theater.
Manonood kami ng Remember Me show. Ito guys, oh. Remember me. Do I have to say goodbye? Si Wally, oh.
Remember me na Wally.
Yay! Bawal lang mag-video mamaya kapag nag-roll na yung cameras. Wala, pasensya na. Hindi ko kayo ma-share. Hi, kamusta pare? Kamusta? Hello. How are you? Good. 48. Dito kami nag-start kumain at dito rin kami magtatapos kumain. Last night namin dito sa Disney Cruise.
Na-relax ako ng bonggang-bongga.
Siyempre, hinga natin ng opinion ng mga kasama natin kung kamusta naman, mauulit ba? Simulan natin kay Mami. Balita, mauulit?
Yes, next year again.
Wow!
Maybe other cruise or let's see.
How about si Max? Kamusta?
Did you enjoy?
Nag-enjoy ka?
This is the last night. Did you enjoy?
Thank you for bringing us here.
Alright. I love you.
Love you too.
I had fun thanks to my mom and dad. It's my late birthday gift.
I have nothing to say.
Did you enjoy? Are you coming again or no?
It depends. Which cruise? Is it a Disney cruise?
Cannot say. A shopping cruise.
Okay, but if it's Disney, then I can't go.
Wow.
Because I won't enjoy it.
Thank you for bringing us there. It means a lot to me and to my brothers. I am very grateful to have you guys as my Mom and Dad. Thank you for bringing us here. That's all.
I really enjoy always busog. But money, oh my God, no more. But I enjoy performance, everything, theater to playing games and stuff. Very solid. 5 stars.
Sulit naman, sulit.
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 I enjoy.
Cheers. Okay, enjoy natin tong last night. At makita-kita tayo dyan sa Pilipinas. We have the same order.
Yes, with caviar.
Itong masarap dito yung caviar. Caviar niyan. Let's eat. Ito yung grilled tuna. Ang sarap eh. Tapos meron pang steak. Wonton.
What in the world?
No, I know. He has a fake. He has a fake. Open yan. Open yan.
No, I don't know.
And you put it in your pocket. I saw it. It's like a fake thumb. Like a fake thumb.
Dami.
Thank you, baby.
Thank you. Baka ikaw yung pinakamalakas doon.
Kasi sa amin, no water. Kaya ako gumagamit na lang ng personal filter ko. Camarinesor ako sa
Camarinesor.
napapanood ko na lagi.
Wow.
Kaya dream ko yan. Sunod na lang. Kaya naman yung packets eh. Kaya. Kaya lang.
Oo naman.
Yung mag-handle lang ng business. Kasi
Installment. Kunin mo installment, pare.
I-message kita.
Nakapalo ka ba? Napapanood ka
Hindi
ba
ako
sa akin?
pinanood kita pinanood ko
Basta
din.
ng gold pound.
Here's the biggest discount. Yeah. Sigurado, pagka nakita ko yan, may discount
Let's go.
agad.
I-follow na rin kita. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Romy.
Maraming salamat. Masyado akong nakakaano sa invitation na yan.
Overwhelmed ka ba doon?
Overwhelmed ako. Thank you.
Thank you, Romeo. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jirella. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Bang! Nalulungkot ako tuwing nagbe-birthday si Sai Sai.
Yeah.
I'm sad. Ikaw din. Happy ka, Sai? Si mami mo umiiyak ko.
Kaya iiyak, girl.
Your mom
Oh,
is
you
crying.
cry. Oh, umiiyak.
Max, watch me.
Oo. Magic. Another sugar magic. Oh, it's gone. Oh, wala na. Wala na yung sugar. Nawala yung sugar.
Max, open your hand.
Yung hand mo daw.
Open your hand.
Oh, it's a lot. It's a lot. How did you do that?
Max,
I keep saying
that's it. I told you, save the best for last, bro.
Oh,
Save
how?
the best for last.
No, I keep saying one of your fingers is always fake.
No, you won't.
Why is one of your fingers fake? I got this one. One of your fingers are fake.
Wala, really it is.
That's what you call magic.
This is for you. My souvenir. Siyempre, baka gusto mo magnegosyo, may discount. At okay, Mike. Turing mo kaming kapamilya, Boss Ralph. Hindi mo kaming turing iba. Tropa na natin si Ralph eh. Ubus na yung sticker ko.
Uy, finish my cake nga.
I have only 3 sticker na lang natitira. Cheers! Cheers!
Can taste the pait in your face.
Ah,
Come on, let's go, baby.
Bye-bye
ganito
po.
lang kami. Kapag tapos, installment, walang interest. Pare, thank you. Meron ka na bang sticker ko? Ayun. Kasi yun yung discount kapag nagnegosyo ka sa amin. Thank you. Bro, thank you so much. Thank you. Pleasure is mine.
Pag-uwi ko sa Manila.
Nag-ride ka ba?
I wish I
Pahiramin kita, pare.
Hindi nga ako marunong sa motor.
Ay, hindi ba? Di kotse tayo. Itutur kita ng Cybertruck. Yeah. Alam ko, sawa ka na dun.
No chance. Hindi ko nga nakikita yun.
Talaga ba?
Sa mga nilang videos.
Pag nawi ka ng Philippines,
Message kita sir.
susunduin kita ng Cyberbeast. Seryoso ako. Baka nagbibiro ka lang eh. Seryoso ako. Good to see you. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Have a safe flight.
Bye-bye.
Message na. Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye. Night. Ay, nagtatampo na si Max.
Nagtatampo na siya.
Tatampo na siya. Iyak na si George.
Nagtatampo na siya.
Ayun na niya. Mag-request ka lang din. Pabili ka ng isang buong cruise ship. Eh, no? Oh, you will remember all the cruise, man. Yeah, yun, may ilaw. It's the sound. You're gonna hear it here.
How much is it?
Naka-power bank. Di siya malalobat. Naka-power bank.
Pwede ko ilagay sa table yan. How much is it? No price.
No price at all. Ang daming mabibig dito souvenir. So, last night na kasi, no? So, ito na yung chance para mamili kami ng souvenir. Oh, meron ka na yan. Ako, meron ako nito. $29 US.
This is 199.99 cents.
This is only 29.
199.
This is 29 pesos. Are you going to buy this? You should buy this. $100.99? Max, it's 10,000 pesos.
10,000 pesos?
Yes, that's a lot of money. Why are you buying this?
I'm not buying anything.
You buying this?
I'm buying this.
You buying that? That will be my gift to my friend. You buying that? How about that?
Daddy, ano? Bibili mo yan, hindi.
Sai, include this, please. Dagdag mo na lang to.
One more?
This one is a coffee mug. Show it to your mom. Add this. She paid already. Left-handed si Mickey, remember?
Babe, marami siyang kanto. Baka hindi mahugasan. Up to you.
Oo nga, no? Hindi pala kinakapihan yan. Yung displayan lang. Hindi, pipili ako pang regalo to eh. Mga tropa ko, syempre, hindi man sila nakarating dito. At least, nagkaroon sila lang souvenir. Ganda nito. I like this. Magkano ba to?
Nakakuha
Check
ka
mo
na
nga.
dahil.
How much the price?
95.
Oh, 95 lang. Magustuhan to ni Hermes.
Hindi.
Malaki na si Hermes.
Hermes, ibihan sana kita ng bag. Ayaw ni mami mo.
No, it's okay.
I'm gonna give you a gift. A bag.
Regalo ko lang ng bag sa kanya.
Mami don't like it.
Yeah, she gave me a gag. It's okay.
No, iba yung galing kay daddy. Ano ka ba? Pag galing kay daddy, pungkap ng bata yun. Ganun.
It's okay.
Kasi bigyan na kita ng motor, wag ng bag. Hindi kita Ducati.
License muna.
Dirt bike muna.
Dirt bike.
Kasi
Yes,
dirt bike muna.
Please, I want a third bike.
Ang ganda nito. Remember me, adventure. It's time to upgrade your bag, my dudes. Wow, it's so beautiful. I like it for you. You like it? How much? Don't mind the price. I will pay it for you. If you like it, I will buy it. You like it?
No.
You cannot use your Georgina, but the bag you can use it.
No, you can lay down beside Georgina.
Oh. Georgina, the towel. The towel. Wow! Hermes, do you like it?
No. They're not a kid anymore. Stop that. Tara na.
Ito gusto ko to, medium. Mami, may extra small for you, oh. May double small pa. Kasya mo kaya to? Tingin ko nga kung gaano kakaliit. Kid size ka na eh.
Wala. Malaki. Small nga lang yung sa'yo, baby.
Grabe ka naman. Small lang yung sa akin. Nananakit ka. Georgina or the bag? You can pick both.
Mom already paid.
This mom's gift to you, and I want you to give the bag. You like that?
Yeah, the bag is nice.
Last chance.
Okay.
Let's go to counter. Come on, let's pay it again. We have a great day. Wow, this is the whole ship.
There's a game room here.
This is the laundry shop, and this is the gym.
This is still open. This one.
Stop touching it. It's painting. Please, do not touch it. There's a ride. There's an Iron Man. I didn't see the Iron Man.
Uy, si Genie!
We couldn't even see any box.
Spider-Man is there. Baymax. What happened to your Prague? With lots of, again, lots of poo. The Prague.
Guys.
Georgina. All the monkeys. Ooh, ah. It's your guardian. Max, look.
Oh, Mom, they give us a gift. Oh, wow.
Hi, George. You gonna come us in Philippines?
Yes, this time you won't be so cold and waiting and
Yay.
watching everyone.
Yay! Ganda sun. Sunrise. Welcome Singapore. Ay, ang ganda. Yun yung Marina Bay Sand, oh. Wow, ganda. Alright, welcome back to Singapore. So ngayon naman, babalik kami sa Singapore para ma-experience natin ang Universal Studio. Ito kami ngayon sa airport, guys. Arrival. Guys, nabitin kami sa Disney Cruise, so tatakbo ngayon kami ng Universal Studio.
Hello! Our very extended vacation again. Part
Yay!
2.
Alam nyo guys, kapag nagbabakasyon kami ni Mami dito sa Singapore, ang lagi namin sinasabi, sana maisama natin yung mga bata. Yan nga sila, kasama natin, kumpleto na tayo.
Kasi may kasamang bata na hindi pa naglalakad, mag-iyak ganun.
Yan.
Ayoko ng ganun nakasama. Kaya
Yes.
gusto ko yung nakakapaglakad na sila, nasasabi nila yung kung anong gusto nilang kainin, kung ano yung gusto nila.
Yan.
Yun.
Mas ma-enjoy nila kasi
Yes. Kasi pag bata pa, pag baby pa, hindi pa nila ma-appreciate.
appreciate na rin pero hindi lang masyado. Ngayon, ito, malaki na sila.
Oo, pag
Mas
malaki,
appreciate
pag
nila yan.
baby, hindi ma-appreciate yan. Mawawala yan sa mind nila. Okay, let's go.
Akit tayo sa malaking globo. Let's
Guys,
go.
your second Universal Studio.
Oh, second na ba to?
Yeah, first is China.
Let's go! Pag mga babae kasama mo guys, ang gusto naman yan, mag-picture-picture muna. Saan na lang yung mga rides. Moment muna nila yan. Picture muna tayo, bago rides. It's not a pigeon. In Philippines, we call it bato-bato.
Bato-bato.
Pugu. Quail. Welcome sa Universal Studio, Singapore. Palagi na lang kami picture ni Mami dito eh. Yay!
Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you. Let's go! Okay, medyo nakakapagod din mamasyal guys. Actually, nandito pa lang kami sa bungad. Pagod na agad. Trolls! The Bergens is coming! Wow! We have a perfect spot. Perfect spot to troll. Ang ganda ng spot mo ah. What's up, my party people? Yes, sir! Let's go again! Squid balls. Hey. Where's the macaroni?
We don't want to
What happened to you? Oh, lots of spaghetti. Hey. Oh, I like to eat spaghetti. Hey, he saved the meatballs. Let's go! Next naman tayo dito. Transformer.
Okay, let's go, Transformer.
Transformer first, then the Mami. Tara, maganda yan. Let's go. Optimus Prime. So, dito kami sa Optimus Prime. Asakay kami ng spaceship. Guys, are you excited? We're gonna ride on the spaceship. Yes. Wow, nice shades. Tara, shades tayo. Let's go!
Here it goes.
Oh, you okay? Hey, Max, let's go. Ano si Ken? Isang oras to, enjoyin nyo. Wala, bumubuelo pa. Bumblebee, help! Come on, B! Let's go! Yeah, you got it! Hey! Whoa! Woo! Wow! kotse natin.
Is with me.
Go! Optimus! Optimus!
The Allspark.
Oh no!
No more running.
Whoa! Tuntukin mo! Bang! Yan! Bang! Ah, good catch, B! Good catch! Are you okay, Optimus Prime?
Save the planet. Thanks for being a challenge.
Megatron! Yay! Antibay ni Bumblebee. Saysay always shouting a lot. Wow! Awesome! Ganda nun. Asa, gutom ako kakasigaw ah. Ngayon naman guys, nandito kami sa Damami Return. Nakaka-excite tong sumakay dito.
Your souls will be mine for all eternity.
Wow! Wow! Ayan! Sigilid. You can do it. Let's go! Ken, kaya mo yan, Ken! Let's go! Oh, wow! Daddy's here. Ken, I'm here, Ken. It's okay. Let's go! It's done. Mami. Kaya mo yan, Ken. Sarap, di ba?
That's the reason why I close my eyes.
Why you close your eyes?
No, because my belly was like, ooh, it hurts.
Awesome experience.
Yes.
But Ken cannot handle it.
I recommend to go there.
Let's do one more.
Go again.
No,
It's so realistic, right?
yeah, the pop out.
Ooh.
So I did that. Sorry,
Kaya
but
pa?
this time no.
Okay, Max, you're gonna drive. Let's go, Max. Chillin'. Max, focus on the road. Wear your seatbelt. Can you do it, Max?
Yep.
Oh, careful. Sharp turn, sharp turn. Max, mahulog tayo sa bangin, oh. Oh, oh. Twist mo. Ayun. You're driving so fast. Take it slow. Take it slow. Oh, as a crocodile. Take it slow, there's a crocodile.
But we won't go fast.
Oh, there they are.
I kind of drive.
Wow. Wow, look. Yan ang gusto ko. Oh.
That's scary.
Yun, umiikot. Take it slow, Max. Wait for them.
No, this is the speed I can go. Look. It's auto drives now.
Simon! You're driving alone. Wow.
That's scary.
There you go. Finish agad. Good driving, Max. Thank you. Ang kulay, no? That's right. Let's go. Let's enjoy the ride. Whoa.
Look, we're going backwards.
Wow. Woohoo. Whoa. This is fun.
We're riding again.
Look, there's 3D minions.
Woohoo! Those minions, bago tong minion, no? Ngayon ko lang nakita yan. Wow, I wanna try that.
Everything off, one price, everything down.
Okay.
Galingan nyo, ha?
1, 2, 3, only 3 available.
15 each?
Yeah.
Press the button.
Yay!
All good, all down. Now your second blast.
Okay, second. Go, go, go.
1, 2, and 3.
Oh, you just missed it. Last shot.
1, 2, and 3.
Simon!
Ow! Dad! Dad!
I hit the center.
Play again, I give you 4 shots, $15. Play again.
No more.
I didn't even do that.
I just shoot the middle.
Oh, your luck, ah.
Wow.
Oh, ang lamig.
Wow, it's cold here. Oh, the Frog King. Papasok tayo dyan sa loob.
Oh, we're gonna go in there?
Long time ago in a galaxy far,
Ninya! Yung ginagabi na nga po kami dito sa Universal Studio. At I'm sure nag-enjoy naman po ang aking asawa ulit. Nag-isip bata na naman siya. Ito, ewan ko, nag-enjoy ka ba? You enjoy, guys? Yeah. Oh, very good. You enjoy? Yeah. Right, touchdown at the hotel sa wakas. Sakit ng legs ko. Max, which one is more hurt? Your legs or your knee?
My knee doesn't even hurt that much, and my legs are burning. It actually feels warm.
Eh, we're going to eat dinner dito lang sa room kasi pagod na kami. Good night na muna, guys. Yeah! Pare, welcome back. Uy, nauna pa sa atin? Ako pala nag-ano tayo, nag-Starbucks, nagulat ako. Nauna pa yung bagahe. Hey! Ay, touchdown! Uy, na-miss ko yung Tesla. Na-miss ko si Cyberbeast. Ano pare, kamusta naman yung Land Cruiser? Okay ba? Matagtag, no? Papaset up natin kay Ats Garage yan para pumogi lalo. Mami, palit mo ng off-road pala to, oh. Pagtang mo ng mags pang off-road. Tapos yung suspension, nag-aamit din sa wakas. Brasel! Miss mo kami, ha? Miss mo kami, ha? Miss mo kami, ha? Isang linggo tayong di nagkita. Cyberbeast. Kumusta naman ang buhay-buhay? Ay, lobat! Hindi natin yung mga lobat yung kotse natin. Ah, ito. $49%. Lobat din. Charge. Ako lang nag-charge kasi ng mga electric car dito. Hindi nila alam eh. Mga bag natin, iba-iba kulay. Simon, you enjoy? I'm happy you're happy. Right, welcome back. And you eat pancit canton. You miss pancit canton?
Very much.
Wow.